This phenomenon is captivating the
Making
nation
the
with
front
lights
page of North America's newspapers is none other than Star Wars Jedi.
You can't run from Star Wars frenzy.
The very first time I saw the word Star Wars.
217, take 9.
And 3, 2, 1, action.
I was 11 years old. It was in a magazine, and I remember seeing the words and saying aloud, Star Wars.
Star Wars.
Star Wars.
Star Wars.
Have you even seen Star Wars?
She's never seen Star Wars.
Here's some money. Go see a Star Wars.
Star Wars is just an important part of everyone's history.
He signed his action figure.
Right here.
I sat outside the theater to watch them at midnight with my dad.
It was designed to fire the imaginations of every girl or boy who yearns for adventure.
People's love for it, it's just massive.
1, 2, 3, Star Wars!
It's the event that has become a cultural phenomenon.
Guerra de las Galaxias.
Ce n'est pas victime de princesse.
May the Schwartz be with you.
Star Wars is a milestone for people.
The Force is with us.
I gotta get to Star Wars.
You're more than just fans, you're family.
Lando!
Red 5 standing by.
It's something that people carry with them now, forever and ever.
Now with the final trailer for the Skywalker saga release.
I can still be a part of the family costume.
You are my father.
The International Space Station watches The Last Jedi.
Darth Vader was Luke Skywalker's father.
It's about family, and that's what's so powerful about it. They're sharing something that moves them.
You're glad that you're finishing, but savoring every moment because you know it is the last.